Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix opening soon on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys like multiple methods to fix this problem. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. That's the first thing you need to do, of course. Now I'm going to log in using my account right now, and I'm going to click here on remind me next time. Okay, so after guys you log in, what you guys need to do next is you want to click on online store here in the left. Okay, you want to click on online store. Now after that you want to click on preferences. Okay, you want to scroll down, and here make sure you like remove the password. Okay, so this might cause the problem you have may be caused by like adding the password to your Shopify store. That's why it displays opening soon on opening soon message on your Shopify store. Okay, so if you have set a password for your Shopify store, that may cause the problem. So what you guys need to do, you want to uncheck this box that says restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it. Okay, if it's not allowing you to do that, it's guarded. You are not able to click on it. Keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can solve this problem. Okay, so if you can click on it, if you can uncheck it and then click on save. Make sure you save your changes. Now check if you have access to your own Shopify store or not. Okay, of course you have to open it on a browser where you are not signed up or you are not logged in into your Shopify store, so that you can see if customers can access your own Shopify store. Okay, so now next thing you need to do, guys, next thing you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Like if the first method doesn't work for you, then you want to click on plan. Okay, so after guys you click on plan, you will have to choose here a plan, because if you don't choose a plan, you are not going to be able to remove the password from your store. So the first method that I showed you at the beginning is not going to work if you don't pick a plan. So Shopify is not going to allow you guys to launch your own Shopify store if you didn't pick a plan. Okay, so you will have to click here on choose a plan, and then choose one of the plans. I just chose I just selected the basic one, which is like $1 a month for like 3 months. Okay, so this basic store is like more than enough for me. So just pick a plan. Okay, so I pick a basic plan, which is the cheapest option, and that's it, guys. Okay, the third method, guys, is to check if you have like downloaded any third-party app that may cause this problem. It may inject like a code in your theme. Now you just check if the problem is still there. Then what you guys need to do, you want to go to settings at the very bottom left and click on apps and sales channels. And then if you have downloaded any app, for example Pagefly or any recently you have downloaded a third-party app, try to remove it and see if the problem is going to is going to be like it's still going to be on your Shopify store. Okay, so just try to remove any third-party app that you have downloaded recently that muting will cause this problem. Okay, which is like a coming soon message. Okay, so just try to remove the app, and if it doesn't work, then there is a problem with your domain name. Okay, so go to domains, and probably you have a problem with your domain name. Click on your domain name, and if there is like any errors there, try to fix them. Like Shopify will show you these errors. Just click on the domain name and you will be able to see the errors here. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good day and drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.